Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name remains Odiolakbe Space. I live right here in Ibadan, Oyo State, Nigeria. Welcome to today's mukbang. Wow, if you're a returning subscriber, I say very big welcome. But if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. In fact, click the notification bell so that every time I uploaded a new video, you will be notified. You will not miss out all these Vlogmas. So what I have for you today, right here, is popcorn. Sorry for the color change. This is my popcorn, and I'm having my milk. So I'll be taking my popcorn with milk. So strange. Do the people do that? Yes, I do that a lot, especially when I'm relaxing. You'll be wondering if people take popcorn with milk, but I do that. I do that a lot and a lot. So I'm going to show you I enjoy my popcorn with my milk. So I'm enjoying my popcorn with my milk, and it's so easy. You can take your popcorn, just crunching your popcorn. Then usually I don't really pop. I'll just put my popcorn in my milk. Wow. It gives me a unique taste. So sweet. I don't overfill my milk so that I will enjoy the real taste. My experience as a new YouTuber has not been does not be easy at all. It has not been easy. Big YouTubers, kudos to you. You are doing a very good, great, imaginary job. Now when I entered, I was like, I'm going to bounce up. But with time, I was like, wow. I had to edit, post. Let me say something else. I want to say a very big thank you to everyone who have been watching me, who have subscribed to Odiolakbe Space. I say a very big thank you. Growing, hey, as a new YouTuber is a big job. It's a journey. It's a great journey. But because of you, I'm going to push further. I'm not just going to hold back. I'm not going to further because, let me be sincere, I've been struggling with this YouTube. Let me be sincere, I've been struggling as a new YouTuber, and it's a great, it's a super journey. I was just like, I'm going to do a video of sincerely expressing what I've been going through in my YouTube channel. So what I've been going through, the struggle continues. I want to say a very big thank you to some YouTubers who had in time past decided to do video on how to grow your channel, how to keep on working as a new YouTuber, and how to persist in whatever you are doing, because it's just like, am I ever going to get to 1,000 subscribers? Though I'm not there, but I know very soon I'm going to be there, just because I know you're going to subscribe to my YouTube channel. But when I look at everything that surrounds this my YouTube channel, I feel like crying. Sometimes I cry. Yes, let me be sincere with you, I cry sometimes, because after I've stressed myself, I've recorded a video, I've moved around, doing one or two things, I edit, put my thumbnails, and at the end of the day, wow, no view. Oh God. I just, that day, if you just come across, if you just meet me there, it just maybe probably something very bad happened to me, because you're not going to get a smile from me, and to even greet or acknowledge is going to be hard, because I'll just look at everything is just down. But thank God for YouTubers that have really take out their time to encourage we small YouTubers, because you have thought of this, of what new YouTuber will be going through, and you have decided to put something out there for us, so that we are not just going to drown. Because I believe we are swimming, and oh God, swimming, and we are drowning. But just because of the help of YouTubers who have done the very good videos that has kept us when no one can watch most of them, I was like, wow, they shared their experience, what they've gone through, how they felt when they were not growing, and how you can do the same, how you're going to come out of whatever you're going through. And I realized, wow, so I shouldn't give up, I shouldn't quit, I should persist. Encouraging my small YouTubers, okay? Post content, keep on posting. I'll put it like this: keep on putting your products, yes, out in the market. Keep on bombarding them with your products, that wow, I have this product, you have to see it, and this product has to sell. So you don't keep your products back and expect people in the market to get your products. So what really happens is you have to keep on pushing your products out there. And when you push your products out there, then a lot of people wait. Let me put it this way. I realize that putting my video out there, making a persistent video, is more or less like I'm trying to make people unconsciously have my product in their mind. Because there are times when we just go to the supermarket. When you get to the supermarket and you just look around you, if you see a product that is just too, I'm telling you, it might even be there, that product might be there, but you might not even take notice of that product just because it's not much. But once you get there, you are having like, wow, 100 just in a stand. Then you're like, wow, I needed this, and you're going to pick it. So To me, that's how I felt it works. So encouraging my small YouTubers, I'm going to say you just continue to post, don't hold back, and try as much as possible to improve. You have to improve the way you started, because sincerely, when I watched my first video, I was like, whoa, why did I do like this? I should have done it better. Or if I had known, I would have put it in this way. But in life, there's always a first step. And your first step, it can be so good if you've had people to put you in line, and if you've been watching YouTube for a very long time, and you've participated in anything that has to do with filming, recording, then it's going to be, let me put this, it's going to be a bit easy for you. But if you are just like us, that were like, wow, this is my dream, I can do this, and you just come out, please, you have to, I know you're going to have little mistake, but don't give up. Hold back. I'll continue to say that. Don't worry. I'm encouraging myself, and I'm also encouraging you that you are going to get there. We want to encourage my co-YouTubers that we are going to get there. We are there. We are getting there. And those, because I know sorry, I can't finish it, so come and join me. Small YouTubers, let's party. And if in any way there's any circumstance that might make you not to post your video the day you ought to post it, that is not the end of the road. Keep on posting. Don't give up. Don't give up. You can't give up. You have started it. It's a race, and you continue to run. You don't go back. Don't mind the light. So thank you for watching today's video. See you in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe to Ojuolape's channels. See you in my next video. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.